So we're going to be throwing these boots out. Now, I bought these boots in Hollywood, California at Sam's Army-Navy surplus with Mary Nixon. And if anyone wants to know about Mary Nixon, I suggest going to www.knitshows.us and checking out Mary Nixon's Gas House in Los Angeles, in Hollywood, downtown Hollywood. And she was a friend of mine. Ran into each other on the bus, and I told her I was shopping for Army boots, and she goes, well, let's go to Sam's and we'll buy some boots. And these are the boots, 20 years ago, and they're going away. I will be throwing them out. This is the last time you will see these boots.